How to recover deleted notes in Google Keep. So if you want to recover deleted notes in Google Keep, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your browser. Once you open up your browser, you need to just search for Google Keeps and open up your Google Keeps. Once you've opened, now for example, I'll just simply take a note. Once you've taken a note, now if you deleted, like accidentally deleted this note, for example, I'll just delete this note. Once you've deleted, now here on the bottom left, you will have undo option for a few seconds. But after a few seconds, that undo option will be removed. As you can see that you don't have the undo option. Now, if you want to recover that, then here on the left side, you will have few options. So you just need to simply go with the bin or trash icon. So go with it, and here you will have the note that you've just deleted. Now remember that if it's been more than 7 days, then you don't have the option to recover it. But if you've recently deleted and it's not been 7 days, then you will be able to recover that note. So just click on the note, and here you will have restore. Click on restore, and that's it. Now you can go with your notes, and as you can see that your note is here. That's how you can recover your Google Keep notes. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.